Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to fix Google Drive uploading problem. Okay, so there is a many solution, and there is a many situation like if you are uploading files or video file and there is show that waiting for Wi-Fi or it is not uploading. So maybe there is a some problem. I will show you one by one. So I'm going to show you my Android phone. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, I am on my Android phone and I'm going to show you my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same step. So let's start with the video. First step, you have to go in Play Store and search Google Drive. Here you can type only Drive and check whether your application update or not. If you see update option here, you have to update. If you see open like me, then your application already updated. So just open it. Now just talk about the if you're getting error like waiting for Wi-Fi, so you have to click on this three dot and you have to go in settings, and now you have to just scroll down, and first you have to clear caches, remove all cached document caches will be, oh, this will not delete your document, it is only caches, so you can delete it. And now you have to, this may be on your phone, just off it. Okay, so it is this is for transfer for only Wi-Fi. So if you are getting option an error like waiting for Wi-Fi, means you are this setting your is on, and you are give the instruction to the Google that only on Wi-Fi your file will be uploaded or download. Okay, so make sure it is off and just come back. Okay, this is one problem, maybe general problem a lot of people facing. So now still you are facing problem for uploading your documents. So now you have to check your free storage of Google Drive. So just click on three dot and here you can see the free storage. So here you Google Drive gives you 15 GB use 15 GB storage. Now you have to check the storage of your usage storage. So in my case I have only used 12 MB. So just take, if you use 15 GB or above 15 GB, so for this reason also you can, you you will have problem like this. You can't upload and send documents, or can't send the emails to the other person. So you have to free some storage from Google Drive or Gmail, or you can buy storage from here. Okay, so still you are getting problem like that, you just final option, just go to the setting. Okay, just open the setting and find the application and notification, or maybe your phone has application and setting option. So every phone has different setting option. Here you have to find app or app on notification. Now go to the Google Drive, or you can see in all apps. If you don't find the Google Drive here, just click on it and you have to click on first stop first, and now go to the storage and caches and clear caches first, and now try to open and upload the files. If still not uploading, just clear storage. If you clear storage, then you have to log in again in Google Drive, clear storage first, and then switch off your phone and again on it and try to upload the files. This, with this solution, definitely you will get the, you know uh, you will fix your problem. I hope you like this video. Thank you for